How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Chevelle done as a COPO. It's a super nice car. Frame off, nut and bolt build. During the build it was cloned to the COPO. It's got the date correct. 427, 425 horse. 4-speed. See the bumpers, the grill, everything is just super nice on the car. Bumpers all been re-chromed. Car's super slick, flat, straight down the sides. It's done its original Azure Turquoise. The black side stripe, black interior. Tell you, super nice car, guys. The whole underside of this car is all highly detailed, as you'll be able to see in our pictures. Taillight bezels, a rear bumper, all the trim on this car is just perfect. Super nice. This car's collector quality. It's really hard to find cars this nice anymore. And again, this is a date correct 427, 4¼ horse. It's got your winner's intake, correct carb, Holly. It's got the smog pump on it, the correct exhaust manifolds and everything. It's got your power disc brakes. Tell you, the attention, the detail on this car is just perfect. The Azure Turquoise is very similar to the Le Mans Blue. It's just a little lighter. Real pretty color. It's got the tach gauge dash. It's got your 4-speed with the Hurst shifter. It's an M22 rock crusher. Tell you, this car is a real sleeper, and that's the way the COPO cars were built. They were built to be sleepers. See all the little stickers in the door jambs. Tell you, the paintwork on this car is just show quality, way better than factory was. And it is the original panels, original floors. Just a good, solid, nice car, guys. It's got the factory jack, spare. Got the 12-bolt posi with the 411 gear in it. It's the way it would have come. See, the headliner is real nice in the car, nice and tight. A little bit of wrinkling in the one sail panel. Dash is beautiful. I tell you, every nut and bolt on this car has been touched. Very nicely done. Fires right up. It's solid lifter 427. It's the way they were done. We've got all the paperwork on the motor on this car. It's got the factory type exhaust, factory mufflers and everything on it. Sounds real good up there. It's just a super, super nice car. It's a car you can go to any show with, be proud to own. Just collector quality. Very, very nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.